If I woke up tomorrow with $0, no followers, no connections, no backup plan, here's the exact 5-step blueprint I would use to become a millionaire by 2026. And no, it doesn't require luck. It requires leverage. Let's break it down. Step 1, mindset. You cannot build $1 million life with $1,000 mindset. Most people don't fail because of strategy. They fail because they think small. Millionaires don't ask, how can I make $100? They ask, how can I create value for 100,000 people? Shift from survival thinking to scalability thinking. Step 2, find a high-demand problem. Money flows to problem solvers. Look around. People want to make money online. Businesses want more customers. Creators want automation. Find a painful problem, then use AI to solve it faster than anyone else. AI is not the business. AI is the leverage. Step 3, build a digital presence. Attention is the new oil. If nobody knows you exist, you don't exist. Start posting. Short-form content. Educational breakdowns. Proof of progress. Content builds trust. Trust builds income. Step 4, automate your sales. If you stop working and money stops flowing, you don't have a business, you have a job. Build funnels, email systems, automated delivery. Your goal is simple, build once. Sell daily. Step 5, scale aggressively. Once something works, pour fuel on it. Reinvest profits. Increase distribution. Outsource repetitive tasks. Scaling is where the million happens. Most people will stay broke because they're waiting for the perfect time. But the blueprint is right here. 2026 is coming whether you act or not. The question is, will you still be at zero?